Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is cost sheet. Cost sheet is a statement designed to show the output of the particular accounting period along with the breakup of the cost. It provides information relating to the cost per unit at the different stages of the total cost of production. Importance of cost sheet: first one, ascertainment of the cost, controlling cost, fixation of selling price, and submitting of tenders. Component of the total cost: prime cost. The prime cost, the sum total of direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses. For example, calculate the prime cost from the following: particular of the carpenter of the manufacturing a window, cost of woods, cost of glass, and cost of frames, and wages paid and rent a specified machine. These are the primary cost. Treatment of the stock of raw material. The direct material refer to the cost of material consumed. The cost of direct material is found by the adjusting the opening and closing stock of material. For example, either is from of the following: calculating of the value of material consumed. Raw material price 50,000, opening stock 10,000, and closing stock 8,000. Factory cost of work cost, the sum total of prime cost plus with the total factory overhead वर्क ओवरहेड. बेसिकली क्या है कि अगर हम प्राइम कोस्ट के अंदर हमारा टोटल फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स को अगर हम ऐड कर देते हैं, वर्क ओवरहेड ऐड कर देते हैं, तो हमारा फैक्ट्री कोस्ट और वर्क ओवरहेड कोस्ट बन जाती है. फैक्ट्री रेंट, factory insurance, depreciation and plants and machinery and goods are different cost of the factory cost. For example, production wages and production wages, salary, consumable, rate of factory premium, oils, grease, salary factory, and rent of factory furnitures. Treatment to stock in work in progress. Work in progress represent to the unit on which in the some work and yet to be complete. The stock of such as goods from part of work cost of the adjusting will be calculating factory cost of work. Like material consumed 60,000, labor 40,000, direct expenses 10,000, factory overhead 50,000, opening working in process 10,000, closing work in progress is 8,000. Administration cost and office overhead, it is obtaining by the adding the office and administration overhead to work cost. It is also known as office cost and cost of production. For example, salary of office staff, depreciation office building, rent and rates, tax and insurance, printing and stationery, postage of etc. For example, compare the production and cost of the following particular. Treatment of finishing stock. Finishing goods are the goods in which to all factory work has been completed. The stock finished goods in the adjust in the cost of productions. Selling and distribution cost. The selling and cost of distribution is obtaining by the adding and selling and debit to the cost of goods sold. The selling and distribution overhead including advertisement, selling cost, salary and commission expenses, commission carries, distribution overhead, transportation charge, etc. For example, calculating the total cost of the cost salary following particular: cost of goods sold, selling expenses, advertisement cost, and salesman salary. These are the different type of the cost including in the cost sheet. Okay class, thank you.